Dear students of BSc Part 2 and respected listeners, a very good morning and welcome all of you to today's lecture. Dear students of BSc Part 2, today I will deliver today's lecture on entropy as a function of state, which is selected from BSc Part 2, Paper 3 Physical Chemistry, selected from Unit 2nd, titled as Thermodynamic 2nd. Dear students, first of all, I bring to draw your kind immediate notice about our previous lecture in which we were defining about Clausius inequality theory, and on the behalf of Clausius inequality theory, we defined yesterday about reversible and irreversible process, and in modified form spontaneous, and that is of equilibrium phenomena, equilibrium process. Whether any process which is undergoing by means of reversible or irreversible, any system which is undergoing by means of that is of spontaneity and that is of equilibrium by using equal or greater sign with that is of depth condition, by every mean, by scientifically we define on the behalf of Clausius inequality, and we also solve the numerical also. Dear students, I will deliver today very special lecture, very special topic titled as entropy as a state function. In order to define, first of all, I bring to draw your kind immediate notice that entropy as a state function is nothing but it is the joint form of first law of TD and second law of TD. When we combine both the fundamental law, first law of TD and second law of TD, to define the joint equation which is known as that is of entropy as a function of states and its verification and its that is of changing here. Let us try to understand here one by one slowly. The title I have mentioned on the blackboard here. Next topic of this unit 2nd, that is entropy as a function of state here. Let us try to understand to solve here. From first law of TD, we have derived the necessary equation in our previous lecture. ds is equals to delta q reversible upon t. Here delta q, capital Q, one can write small q also. ds is equals to del q reversible upon t. It is known as the fundamental equation of second law of TD. In the same series, since we know that the first law of TD, that is one can write del q reversible is equals to du plus pdv. It is the second law of TD, it is the first law of TD. Now put down the value of equation number 2 in equation number 1. First law into that is of second law, we have ds is equals to du plus pdv upon t. We have delta w is equals to pressure and the multiplication of dv. On solving, on separation, the next quantity is here. ds is equals to du upon t plus pdv upon t. Equation number 3. Dear students, once again I repeat, equation number 3 we derived here. It is known as the fundamental state equation for entropy here. It is just according to our title that is change entropy as a function of state. First law separated equation is existing, second law of TD separate equation existing here. When both the law we include, we mix, it will define towards the entropy as a function of state. Very special, outstanding, amazing equation that is of ds is equals to du plus t plus pdv upon t here. Now let us proceed the next part, next topic of thermodynamics 2nd, that is entropy change for ideal gas. I mean to say we have to derive here the quantitative relation between that is of entropy with that is of temperature and that is of volume for ideal gas here. Our next topic here, in order to solve here, that is by the definition of heat capacity at constant volume, du is equals to cv dt. Once again try to understand here. Our next topic, that is of what is the relation, what is the quantitative relation for change in entropy along with that is of temperature and that is the volume here. In order to simplify, in order to proceed this one derivation by the definition of that is of heat capacity at constant volume, In our TD1 unit 1 we have defined, we have expressed, we are using here directly the fundamental equation of heat capacity. D is equal to CV dt. Code down equation number 4. Now that is the put down equation number 4 in equation number 3. ds is equal to CV dt upon T plus PD upon T. Since we are deriving here for ideal gas here, yes, we know that for 1 mole of ideal gas PV is equal to nRT. On solving P is equal to nRT upon V, say equation number 6, put down equation number 6 into equation number that is a 5. ds is equal to CV dt upon T plus nR T upon V plus dV upon T. T will be cancelled by that is of T. Rest quantity we have ds is equal to CV dt upon T plus nR dV upon V. Say that is of next one, equation 7. Now on integrating the appropriate limit of equation number 7, dear students of BSc part 2, on appropriate limit of equation number C, equation number 7, that is of ds means that is of, it will be integrated from del S1 to del S2, temperature from T1 to T2, and volume I mean to say that is of V1 to that is of V2. I have mentioned on the blackboard here. On solving here, T1 to T2 dt upon T, that is of ln, by substituting the value of the integrating value regarding to that is of 1 and 2 for entropy, T1 and T2 for temperature, and that is of V1 to V1 to V2 for volume. Your final equation in E base change in entropy we are having here for equation number 8, in that is of E base, and in 4 that is of 10 base. This whole quantity equation number 8 will be multiplied by that is of 2.303. So del S is equal to 2.303 CV log T2 upon T1 plus 2.303 and log V2 upon V1. ln will be converted into that is of 10 base in the form of log. Hence finally equation number 9, it will give to us it is the quantitative, it is the fundamental relation for ideal gas, changing of entropy with that is of temperature and with that is of volume. Once again, dear student, according to our title, I have mentioned on the blackboard here, entropy as a function of state. Dear student, entropy as a function of state is nothing but it is the joint, it is the combined form of first law of TD, and it is very such important, very special important equation which is beneficial to solve so many kinds of thermodynamics, that is of state variable parameters and state variable thermodynamic quantities to define in terms of Gibbs free energy, Helmholtz free energy. So I mean to say that is of a joint form here. It is this equation, combined form, joint form, is known as the entropy as a function of state. Dear students of BSc part 2, we will discuss, we will solve the numerical. There are so many kinds of numericals set in the examination, asked in the examination. In coming lectures, we will definitely solve on the best the numerical based on the state function by means of ideal gas, change in entropy for temperature and volume. Thank you very much. Thanks a lot.